Before we talk about what video content is, let's just understand where it started from, right? Well, it actually started with a Nautanki, right? That's the right word we use? How many of us watched a Nautanki here? Nautanki? Why? What's so special about a Nautanki? Pure entertainment? That's about it? Yeah? A Nautanki is an entertainment. And filming it is what started off the videos, right? Now, the first film that was created was by our very own Dada Saheb Phalke, from India, by the way. Dada Saheb Phalke in the year 1930. It was a silent film, but I swear it's left echoes for our future, right? That's what created our future. Well, from there, the first natak to be filmed, Raja Harishchandra, to the nataks on TV, right? The TV series, the sports channel, the music channel, that's been buzzing in our head. Now, that is what was the second step. And what after the second step? We moved into something that could be created easily. I'm using the word easy. I know it's a lot of hard work, trust me, guys. It's a lot of hard work, but can be created faster, can be created with better technology. So, well, because as the technology is going up, it's got to be easy, right? So that is where the digital video content came in. Got me and my partner a job, basically. So why is video content working so much in India? Very simple terms. We have about 400 million internet users, right? 400 million internet users, and as per Cisco, we have 69% of these using internet for video content. And that is a huge number, 69%. In short, all of us, every now and then, is watching a video, like ma'am out there right now, right? So that's the whole point. So many people watching video. Where are they watching it on? All these apps? How many of us have one of these apps here? Netflix? Hotstar? Yeah? What do we do? You get 10 minutes, what do you do? You watch it here? Why are they earning so much money, dude? They're earning because of us watching, right? The biggest player, Netflix, it's got everything going for it because we are watching. Next, the social media channels, right? Who all have been using Facebook, YouTube, Vimeo, Twitter? We all do. Whose phone doesn't have it? Right? Whose phone doesn't have it? Well, out of here, YouTube, as we all know, is the granddaddy of the video content. It has everything, from how to make a chapati, to how to wear a sari, to how to actually make a straight line. Trust me, it's all there. So that's the granddaddy, right? But what about Twitter? What kind of content do we get on Twitter? And why is why is everyone going crazy about it? Twitter, in a sense, is about opinions, right? That's what we share on Twitter. That's why the whole chaos happens. One goes on bashing up the other one. It's just because of the opinion. So the video content that works on Twitter is opinionated. But the game changer in all of these has been Facebook. Anyone? Any reasons why? Why is Facebook the game changer here? Very simple. We all saw loads of long posts on Facebook, right? How many of us zone out after reading the fifth line of any paragraph? No one? God, it's some studious people, right? You love reading, right? So that is where it used to happen that people used to zone out after 5, 10, 15 lines. And trust me, there the posts used to be huge, right? Isn't it, Mridul? The posts are huge. So when that happens, people zone out. And when they zone out, people forget. That is where the video started working. And plus, to add to it, Facebook had videos, playing by themselves. You scroll down and it starts playing. And when it starts playing, it catches your attention. Very simple. That is why, instead of reading most of the Harry Potter books, I guess most of us have watched the movies, isn't it? Exactly. So that is where Facebook played the big game. Let's move on. I'm just giving you the scenarios and then let's see what it turns out to be. Well, these are the content. How many of us have watched most of it? That's it? No one else? Please, 69% of us watches videos. No one else? What are these big players putting their money in? Drama, romance, humor, some even into docudramas, right? Why? Because that is what is working with the people. That is what everyone is watching. Yeah? Everyday basis, that is what everyone is watching. But what is it getting us? What is video content getting us? Video content has been able to create opportunities for people. There was a study done by Forbes on this video. It increased the revenue by 50% for this startup. Just a very small little video, I've seen it, 30 seconds. 50% just after Diwali. Big money, dude. He's gotten rich. Yeah? But what about the other one? How many of us know about the ice hockey team in India? Wonderful. So the ice hockey team, the female ice hockey team, this year was invited to participate in a tournament, right? An international tournament, Asia Cup. These girls couldn't step out of India. They did not have 32 lakhs, and hence the Indian national team could not go out. That is when Logical Indian steps in, runs a campaign, and trust me, in 7 days itself, they could aggregate 32 lakhs. With one man contributing 1 lakh. He does not know those people, thanks to the video content. It was just some very simple video content that was created and has made an impact on people, right? Well, the other data, I guess Mridul would have spoken about it for sure. Video, if there's a video in your email, it is opened by 13%. We all know email marketing. If I get a 4%, I used to be all around the world. I got a 4% open rate. That's 13%. It's a game changer. Website? Well, the website opens by 55%. Trust me, ask people who put in everything they have to make sure that happens, to get their Google ranking going up. Now, that is what it is doing. But nevertheless, out of all this, what else is happening? This is changing the market. That is where the marketing strategies are being changed. Instead of the textual content, it's changing into video content. And it's a whole new ball game. The market is changing. Jobs are being created. And, creative people are given a chance to step out. That is the impact of the video content, right? But what else? What's in future now? This is already happening, right? What's in future? How many of us use Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook Live, right? Well, all thanks to all of them, we go live, right? Miles away we go live. And what happens after that? A very simple thing happens. All of us are watching Nautanki even miles away. And that is what the impact is. No matter what we say, when we have something that keeps moving in front of us, it catches our eye and we watch it. That is the impact of video content. And in the end of it all, well, I think something happened in here. In the end of it all, I would want to say something to all of you. You know, me and my partner, when we started, I had a wonderful job, marketing and everything. My partner just came back from Mumbai. He was, maybe thinking of what to do, what not to do. We started the company over a cup of coffee. Trust me, over a cup of coffee. We are childhood friends. We catch up for a cup of coffee, and he's like, let's start the company. I call up my mom. Mom, I'm starting a company with him. My mother laughed her fits off. Literally, laughed her fits off. And I was like, Mom, I'm serious. Doesn't get it. It's okay, we started off. I'm still working in a company. I used to have long hours. Still working, and projects were picking up. Planned to start it off in Bangalore, crashed big time. Tried to settle down. Oh hell, what are we getting into? Do we even know what it is? And that is when, my mom said, come back home. It doesn't make a difference. It's just media. You can't get through it. Media industry is hard to get in. It kills you. Every day you have an idea. Trust me, I wake up and when I see it on YouTube or any other channel, it kills me. That is where I would want to ask you guys to have your own story. I'm saying it, yeah? I'm telling you a story. But having your own story is very important. Don't give a damn about who says what. If you're comfortable in your skin, it doesn't matter. And that is all that I would want to end it out with. Thank you.